Arif, do you think we'll find Amir Khan down there? What? Yeah, we are still in Arizona. It's on that side. We have 5 minutes, and I hope we can make it to the bus. Okay, good morning. Where are we going, Arif? Yeah, it's a New York hotel. It's a Statue of Liberty.
Later.
Oh. That is our hotel, MGM. We have to go to this Castle Hotel, which is Excalibur. Yeah. This is also a hotel. This is a hotel. Smashed window.
Pero caminando se lo da.
Tiene todavía nieve allá.
Okay, Arif, now we got the time to do the nice introduction. Where are we going?
Over there.
What?
Over there.
We are here waiting for the bus and it's not yet arrived. We thought we are like super late. Time is now 9:20. We should be starting from here at 9:30 probably. We took some snacks from our hotel. I hope the kids don't trouble me. Yeah, but the actual tour begins from like 10 o'clock to, we'll be back here to the hotel at 3 o'clock. That is our bus. Okay, sure.
Very good.
Sit anywhere.
Does it smell like cigarette?
No, not here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, good. Now you remember, huh? 7. Yeah. Put the door for here. Check it out.
Okay, we just got done the bus tour and we are heading to the dam. There are 69 stairs here. Let's go. Yeah. That is Nevada. Are you guys ready to step into Arizona? Arizona is on the other end. There. Okay, so that is the bridge. So yeah. We are gonna go down there. Okay? See guys, do you think we'll find Amir Khan down there? Arif, do you think we'll find Amir Khan down there? What? Yeah, we are still in Arizona. It's on that side. We are, in which state are you? Arizona. I am in Nevada. Ahad is in Nevada. What? Are you going to Arizona now? Now that we are going back, Ahad is so happy, right?
We need to go, Daddy, to bring us
The car.
to the car and then go to Las Vegas.
Oops. We have 5 minutes and I hope we can make it to the bus. I can already see so many people getting in there.
Run!
You don't have to run. They'll wait for us. Don't have to run. Ahada. It's downhill.
Okay, so now that's the dam in front of us.
Here waiting for our food.
This doesn't look like a tire. Mommy,
You wanna see? Oh my god.
accidentally fall.
It is so small, right, babe?
Yeah. No.
And it is so slow. It's going super slow. Oh, there's a security check. No, look here. Colorado River covers more than 246,000 square miles across 7 US states and 2 states in Mexico, which makes it total 9 states. Watch the movie. Oh yeah, it's about the bridge. I mean a dam. The dam.
And so it was. Hoover Dam brought the desert flood control, a reliable supply of water, electrical power, and more.
All right, folks, we're going down. We're going down 537 feet, or 164 meters. Elevator ride's about a minute and 10 seconds. Very smooth ride.
We're almost there, babe. Done? Are you sleepy? Can you see that we are inside a mountain?
It doesn't look like it. It looks
Come on, you guys. I think you look everybody except for someone's falling on the road. That's fine.
This is where American fell down. So this is Nevada.
Arizona.
Yeah, and that is Arizona.
Look at that car.
And this kid doesn't want to walk up until there.
No.
Chal. We nearly missed our bus again. We are late. We are the last ones to get in.
At least she survived.
Yeah. Not good. So let's go now. So let's go, baby.
Not the tallest building in the world.
Mama, Ahad, let's go. Mami, let's go.
Bye.
Okay.
Look at that traffic.
Oh, yeah.